Of course, very excited. So the last couple of 3 years I've been part of the board of the Chamber of Commerce, and now I got elected to be the president of the Chamber of Commerce. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to start with this. Well, the last couple of years, I think the other board and the other presidents, they did an amazing job with changing the reputation of the Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber of Commerce was always known to be the registry company where the businesses were registered. But the Chamber of Commerce, in fact, is doing much more than that. They are listening to the challenges of the business community. They represent those companies to the government, try to fix the challenges that they have. So I will be continuing building on that and helping with that, listening better, connecting better with the business community, and then connecting with the government to see what we can do there. And we have a lot of challenges coming up, of course. For example, last year we had the tax reform. Now we have, of course, some challenges with labor. So I can't wait. Well, in the end, I have a communication and marketing background. And the keyword of the Chamber of Commerce this year will be connect. Connecting with the business community and connecting with the government. And connecting is marketing, connecting is communication. So that aligns perfectly.